brothers and sisters, focus on today. Okay, it's very important class. And again, I'm taking all this, whatever topics I'm taking today, you'll feel that I'm taking surf topics today, but it's all to do with this book, with this chapter number 6, which is coming. Okay. There is a word that is coming in this chapter, which is Hafidha. Okay. Which is Hafidha. So now Hafidha means he memorized. That is the word coming in this chapter, Hafidha, which means he memorized. So let's go to the, first of all, tell me, this is Thulathi Mujarrad or it is Mazid Fi? It is Thulathi Mujarrad. Immediately you had the answer. Why? Because why it is Thulathi Mujarrad? It is only 3 letters. Yes. It is only 3-letter based. Okay. Let us, how many bab are there in Thulathi Mujarrad? 6. Which is the first one? Okay, when I'm saying 6 bab, if I'm asking which is the first one, you tell it's Mazi and Mudari both. Nasara Yansuru, that is good. Does this looks like belonging to this bab, Hafidha? No. What is the second bab? Daraba Yaduribu. Very good. Does it belongs to that? Daraba Yaduribu? No. What is the third bab? No. Fataha Yaftahu. Good. Does it belong to Fataha bab? No. What is the fourth one? Karuma Yakrumu. Excellent. Does it belongs to Karuma bab? No. Excellent. Then which is the fifth one? Samia Yasma'u. The Samia Yasma'u. Does it looks like it will belong to this? It may belong to this. Okay, let's go to the 6th bab. Hasiba Yahsibu. It also looks like it may belong to this. So it looks like it may belong to Bab Sami'a and it may belong to Bab Hasiba. See, I'm teaching you the process, how you will find the word to which Bab it belongs to. I'm showing you the practically teaching you how will you identify the Bab. This is an example for you. And I just took one example because this is a fail that came in this chapter number 6. So Hafidha can belong to Bab Sami'a or it can belong to Bab Hasiba. Correct? So either of these. Now the easiest way I told you is let's go to Wiktionary. Okay, let's go to Wiktionary. Okay. Now I will type here Hafidha. And you don't need to type the you don't need to type the harakat. Okay, you don't need to type the harakat. So it brought me this. And you see it's giving here, you can see the screen, Hafidha. This is a verb. So this is fail. This is Hafidha. Hafidha here, non-past, and yahfadhu. Hafidha, yahfadhu. Now you tell me, you know the mudari of this, so you narrow down your choices to bab sami'a, and you narrowed down your choices to bab hasiba. So now you tell me it belongs to which bab? Sami'a. Very good. It belongs to bab sami'a. Excellent, brothers and sisters. So just go with me. Inshallah, you will know the process. So this belongs, so this is Hafidha Yahfadhu. Right? So you have identified Hafidha Yahfadhu, and it belongs to Bab Samia. Understood? And what is Bab Samia, brothers and sisters? What is Bab Samia? Start telling me. Sami'a, yasma'u, sam'an, fahuwa, sami'un, then sami'un, then Sumia. Good. Sumia. Yusma'u sam'an fahuwa masmu'un. Good. Fahuwa masmu'un. Good. Let's put our word here. Hafidha. Let's put our word here. Hafidha. Yahfadhu. Hifdhan. So now looking at sam'an, you will say hafdhan, but actually it is hifdhan. I told you the first 6 bab masdar have different forms. So it may change sometimes, brothers and sisters. It may change sometimes. Okay? Don't worry about it. You will learn it gradually. Okay? Hafidha yahfadhu hifdhan. Fahuwa hafidhun. Very good. Sorry. Hufidha. Hafidhun. And after that, hufidha. Yuhfadhu hifdhan. Fahuwa mahfudhun. Mahfudhun. Okay. Over mahfudh. Brother and sister, why you are learning surf? Many of you might be questioning, why this headache of surf? Today you will know its value. Inshallah, if I am able to teach you properly, if I am able to convince you properly. Let us see the meanings of this. Let's see the meaning of Bab Samia. Samia means he heard. Yasma'u means he hears. Sam'an means hearing. Fahuwa. Sami'un means hearer or listener. Sumia means he was heard or it was heard. Yusma'u means he is being heard or it is being heard. Sam'an, again hearing. Fahuwa masmu'un means one who is heard. This whole bab is giving you, until now, I have not taken because still there are a lot of words you are yet to learn. You have the surf, in the surf class, you have only reached up to ism maf'ul. So I'm just taking those words which you have learned till ism maf'ul. So just from one bab, you are able to see so many meanings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is repeated 7 meanings till now. But again, it is not ending here. Okay. Now I will show you Hafidha. Hafidha, he memorized. Yahfadhu, he memorizes. Hifdhan, memorizing. Hifz, people you say, no, have you done hifz? Have you? Hifz means memorizing. Okay, hifz means memorizing. Okay, hifdhan, fahuwa hafidhun, memorizer, the one who memorizes. So brother or sister SF Ahmed mentioned the same Hafiz of Ramadan. Yes, it is same Hafiz of Ramadan. Okay, the memorizer, the one who memorized. Okay, ism fa'il. Then hufidha, it was memorized. Hufidha. Yuhfadhu, it is memorized. Hifdhan, memorizing. Fahuwa mahfudhun. Mahfudhun is again, it is related to, see, all this hafidha is giving what? Preserving something. Memorization preserves something. So mahfudhun means one that is preserved. The bab, the study of self, helps you to understand meanings of so many extra words if you just know one word. That's it. If you just know one word, without any help of teacher, you can know so many extra words. This is not found in any other language. Have you seen such a thing in any other language? Such a beautiful language is this Arabic. Understood, brothers and sisters? And the thing is not ending here. Now I will take one word from here, Hafidha. This, I am taking one word of this Hafidha. This is what Hafidha is ma'ruf. So what is that? It is Failul Ma'di. Hafidha, then Hafidha, Hafidhu, Hafidhat, Hafidhata, Hafidhna, Hafidhta, Hafidhtuma, Hafidhtum, Hafidhti, Hafidhtuma, Hafidhtunna, Hafidhtu, Hafidhna. So out of those 7 words, brothers and sisters, I just took one Failul Madi, and I know from that, I know 14 meanings now. They are all different meanings. Hafidha, he memorized. Hafidha, they too memorized. Hafidhu, they all memorized. Hafidhat, she memorized. Hafidhata, they too females memorized. And so on and so forth. Just one word. So this is 14 meanings, you know it. And let's go to Yahfadhu. This is also Madare and it is Ma'ruf. Yahfadhu. Then Yahfadhani. Third, Yahfadhuna. Okay. Then here, you can write if you want to. Tahfadhu. Tahfadhani. Good. Then, yes, good. Yahfadna. Yahfadna. Good, mashallah. Then, Anta. Tahfadhu. Very good. Antuma. Tahfadani. Good. Antum. Tahfaduna. Anti. Anti. Tahfadina. Good. Antuma. Antuma. Tahfadani. Antunna. Tahfadna. Ana. Ana. Ahfadu. Good. Nahnu. Nahfadu. So 14 new words I know. What is the meaning of yahfadu? He memorizes. 14 fi'lul madi I know. 14 fi'lul mudari I know. Total how much? 28 new meanings I can know. Just knowing one meaning of one word, I can know 28 new words. I can know 28 new words. These were only ma'roof. Let me go to majhul. Sir, isn't fail al-mazi mabni? Why are we talking about mabni in fail? Sister, this is fail. Mabni is in a file. You are talking of file maybe, sir. Isn't file? No, you are saying al-mazi. I didn't understand your question, Sister Sophia. These are fail. Mabni is in ism. Don't get confused, brothers and sisters. Don't get confused. Okay? What it has to do with. Okay. Now, so Madi and Mudari. Sister Sufia, I have not understood your question. You need to elaborate more. I will continue. Fi'lul Madi. Yes. Did I made any mistake in the spelling maybe? Maybe I made a mistake in the spelling. Let me go back to my. Madi. Okay. So now I will go to, so I'll go to Majhul now. Okay. I'll go to Majhul. Hufidha, Yuhfadu. Hufidha is Madi and Yuhfadu is Mudari. Hufidha means what? It was memorized. Again, Hufidha, Hufidha, Hufidu, Hufidat, Hufidata, Hufidna, Hufista, Hufistuma, Hufistum, Hufisti, Hufistuma, Hufistunna, Hufistu, Hufidna. What is this? It was memorized. Those two were memorized. Those were memorized. Those all were memorized. All. Okay. Then comes Majhul for Mudari. Yuhfadu. Yuhfadu. Yuhfadani. Yuhfaduna. Good. Tuhfadu. Tuhfadani. Yuhfadna. Tuhfadu. Tuhfadani. Tuhfaduna. Tuhfadina. Tuhfadani. Tuhfadna. Uhfadu. Nuhfadu. Okay, so many of these you have learned. So, Failul Madi Ma'ruf or Ma'loom. 14 فعل المضارع معروف 14 28. فعل الماضي مجهول and فعل المضارع مجهول, these again 28. How many new words? 56 new words. 56 new words. This is our bab. We have just taken these and you have learned 56 new words. Okay, brothers and sisters? Just from here, you have, 56 new words. Now, let us look at, this is Masdar, Hifzan. Let us look at Ism Fa'il, Hafidun. This is a typical Ism. Hafidun. Let me see what I can do about Hafidun. Hafidun, Hafidhan, Hafidhin, Hafidhani, Hafidhaini, Hafidhaini, Huffadun, Jama. This is Jama Taksir. Huffadan, Huffadin. Then I can make it Muannas also. Hafidhatun, Hafidhatan, Hafidhatin, Hafidhatani, Hafidhataini, Hafidhataini, Hafidhatun, Hafidhatin, Hafidhat. So if you, anyway, these are the status. I will not count them as new words because this is in the Nasab and the Jar status. But at least from one Ism Maf'ul, I got 6, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 new words. So 56 those and BD is 6. So how much? 62 total. Total how many? 62. So same way, you can add 6 more for Ism Maf'ul. Right? And inshallah, once you will go through Sarf class, you will know more words. So this shows, brothers and sisters, that you are getting to you one by with Sarf, you will know meanings of different forms of words the moment you conjugate more and more. That's the importance of Sarf. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Okay. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. So, alhamdulillah. فهمت الدرس يا علي؟ فهمت الدرس يا علي. If I want to reply in affirmative, so I will say نعم فهمته. I will say it also. I will say مفعول به also. I will not just say فهمته. نعم فهمته. Yes, I understood it. And if I want to reply it in negation, what will be my answer? What will be my answer? La. Yes, la ma fahimtuhu. Very good. La ma fahimtuhu. Okay, that is good. Okay. Now I have another question. أفهمت الدرس يا مريم؟ Sorry, ما فهمت الدرس يا مريم? I want to reply in affirmative. ما فهمت الدرس يا مريم? Yes, mashallah, mashallah, good. So my answer will be Bala fahimtuhu, Bala fahimtuhu. And I want to reply in negation. Then what will be my answer? Not Sister Tasneem. Sister Tasneem, you are partially right. 1 minute, let me go up. Yes, so what you will say, Naam ma fahimtuhu. You say, Naam ma fahimtuhu. Good. Ara'ayta Hamidan? Did you saw Hamid? Hamid is maf'ul bihi. Naam ra'aytuhu. Okay. Ara'ayta Zainaba? Naam ra'aytuha. Because your maf'ul bihi have to be muannas now, because your maf'ul bihi was Zainab in the question. Even in your answer, it has to be ha now. Ara'ayta tullaba? Did you saw the students? Ara'ayta tullaba? Did you saw the students? Na'am. Ra'aytuhum. Na'am ra'aytuhum. Ara'ayta talibati? Now you tell me why it is a talibati. Why it is a talibati? Why I'm putting kasra on ta there? Yeah, Jama Muannas Salim. Why not a taliba? Because it is nasab. And what is the maf'ul bihi nasab? What is the rafa form of that? Rafa form of that? At-talib. Okay, talibatun. Okay, nasab form is talibatin, and jar form is jar is also talibatin. Good. There should be no confusion. Ara'ayta Muhammadan wa Khalidan? Did you saw Muhammad and Khalid? Give the answer in affirmation. Naam ra'aytuhuma. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Naam ra'aytuhuma. Good. Okay, there is another word that is coming here. Actually, these are the fail which you have not yet learned. These forms of fail you have not yet learned in surf class. But again, I am taking its conjugation. But inshallah, because it will become simpler when this topic will come in surf. So here the root letters are va, noon, and noon. It is dhanna, which means he assumed. Dhanna yadunnu. Dhanna means he assumed. Yadunnu means he assumes. Okay, that is the meaning of dhanna. So it is dhanna, dhanna, dhannu, dhannat, dhannata, dhananna, dhananta, dhanantuma, dhanantum, dhananti, dhanantuma, dhanantunna, dhanantu, dhananna. You know, this is by practice you will remember it. Inshallah, when you go into surf, you will get better hold of it, inshallah. Let's do the conjugation for yadunnu, yadunnu, yadunnani, yadunnuna, tadunnu, tadunnani, yadnunna, tadunnu, tadunnani, tadunnuna, tadunnina, tadunnani, tadnunna, adunnu, nadunnu. This means he assumes. Now, why I am taking this particular fail? One means he assumed, or you can say he guessed. Yadunnu means he assumes, or he guesses, or he thinks. That's what it means. Now, there are a lot of sentences that are coming related to this fail in this. So this fail requires one of the harfu nasib. Which one is? And that is anna. It requires one of that, which is anna. And I explained to you anna before. But, and what is the meaning of anna? It means that. It doesn't mean that means zalika. Don't get confused. That is a pointer. That, see, in English language also you use that, but you use that to point something, okay? But you use that to join or do something, okay? So to join if you have a sentence, so you have first part of the sentence and you have second part of the sentence and you join them together, right? Using that. Yes, conjunction, yes. This anna means that. Anna means that. Okay. And it is like, okay, so anna is, if you have a sentence, I will explain you in the example, Abdul Hussein, you will understand, inshallah, in the example. So anna will never come in the beginning of the sentence. It will not come in the beginning of the sentence. So it will come in the middle of the sentence, and it will join the part before it and the part after it. For example, if I want to say, I guess he's sick. For example, I want to say, I guess he is sick. I guess that he is sick. I guess that he is sick. So I guess is the first part of the sentence, Abdul Hussein. So please focus because you told me to elaborate more. I guess that he is sick. So I guess is the first part of the sentence, and that is joining it. He is sick. Understood? Understood? I guess that he is sick. So that's how it is. Anna will behave like that. Okay, good. So Anna will behave like that. So it will come in the middle of the sentence. It is used to join the phrase before it and the phrase after. It is used to join, but it is exactly like, it is one of the akhawatu inna, one of the sisters of inna. So this will also have ismu anna. This will also have ismu anna. Good. Now I will use this because I give you example of guess. So let's see. Zanna Hamidun Maridun. Yes, it will have khabaru anna. That is correct. This is tabassum. Hamidun Maridun. Hamid is sick. Now I want to say in Failul Madi that I guessed, I thought Hamid was sick. If I want to say like that, I thought or I guessed, I assumed that Hamid was sick. So how I will say? I will say Dhanantu. Dhanantu anna Hamidan maridun. I thought, I guessed, I assumed that Hamid was sick. Dhanantu anna Hamidan maridun. Okay. Dhanantu anna Hamidan maridun. Now I want to say the same thing in Madi, in Mudari. So I will say Adunnu anna Hamidan maridun. I guess Hamid is sick. I guess Hamid is sick. Or I assume Hamid is sick. I believe Hamid is sick. So you can say this in a normal way. Okay. Is this clear, brothers and sisters? Is this clear? Okay, good. Al-Imamu Jadidun. Al-Imamu Jadidun. Make the Madi form of this. Make the Madi form of this sentence. Dhanantu annal imama jadidun. Mashallah. Zanantu annal imama jadidun. Make the mudari form of this. Adunnu annal imama jadid. Fatimatu ghaibatun. Fatima is absent. Fatima is absent. Make both Madi and Mudari. Zanantu anna Fatimata ghaibun. Good. Adunnu anna Fatimata ghaibatun. Sorry, ghaibatun you have to use because, yeah, ghaibatun. So, adunnu anna Fatimata ghaibatun. Okay. Hiya dhahabat ila Makkata. She went to the Makkah, to Makkah. She went to Makkah. After this slide, I will stop, brothers and sisters. Okay, just 2-3 examples more. It is taking more time. Just I will stop it. Dhanantu annaha, mashallah, mashallah. That is correct, Sister Aisha. Dhanantu annaha dhahabat ila Makkata. Dhanantu annaha dhahabat ila Makkata. Adunnu annaha dhahabat ila Makkata. Okay. Anta mut'abun means you are tired. Dhanantu annaka mut'abun. Adunnu annaka mut'abun. Good. Wa maridun. Dhanantu annaha. Annahu, yes. Dhanantu annahu maridun. Adunnu annahu maridun. Okay. So inshallah, I will stop here. We will continue next week. Tomorrow will be surf class. Okay. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. بارك الله فيكم.